How to edit footers in Squarespace. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to your Squarespace editor. And then as you can see, I have this open. So scroll down to the very bottom in order to locate your footer. So from there, here is my footer. As you can see, it's very plain. So let's head over and edit this. Click onto this edit site footer. And after you have done that, you can click onto this add block. And you can add in here some things that you would want to add. For example, let's add in here some text. You can just add them right here. Just position them wherever you want and input right here the text that you want. So let's input right here, all rights reserved. Now on your footer, you can also add some things like forms, accordions, and basically everything that you want to add. You can add embeds, charts, and typically on a footer, you need to add social links. So just drag and drop social links right here and input them wherever you want. Now, once they've been added, you can see in here that we have now the logo. You can click onto this edit icon and now let's edit that and add in here the actual content and social links that you want to add. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.